I'm just casting my husband away from us because I can't deal.
I know. Hey, hey, hey.
Our quarantine or isolation is getting extended. Okay, good morning. We are getting back to a routine. I feel like every mom did this. Last week when was the first week, we were told like to self-isolate and everything else. And we're kind of like, okay, it's cool. And then some of us, our husbands are out of work, so they're home with us as well. So it's like, okay, that's cool. And then our routines just like went out the window and I was stressed out more than ever. And I can't do another week of that. So I know it says solo in the title, and that is because we are going back to the fact that, not saying my husband doesn't help me, but we're just on a better routine. Even with the kids, when my husband isn't really around for a majority of our day, he does have some work to do. He wants to, I think he's gonna do some order deliveries, and then he wants to work on the backyard. So that's like his work days in the backyard away from us. It sounds so bad, like I'm just casting my husband away from us because I can't deal. It's the truth, it's just getting crazy. Someone won't wake up though. Yeah, we're waking up today. So yeah, that's the plan, that's what's going on. So it is 7 o'clock right now. I did wake up a little bit late. I thought I set my alarm for 6 o'clock. I set it for 6:30 and the kids woke up at 7, so I wasn't able to actually go out for my walk with the dog, but I do have a walk scheduled with the family, so I'll be able to like get outside and get active. I'm gonna finish breastfeeding Ezra, get a workout in, and eat some breakfast and get ready for our day.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can.
Is that cat? Can you say cat?
Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this. You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby.
You're doing so good.
That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Keep going. Where's sister?
Are you going to the room?
Get sister. Yay! So I asked Eric where his clothes are at, and Eric said, I changed them. And I was like, he slept in those. And he goes, no, those are new ones. He just put new pajamas on him. Okay, so we're ready for the day, so we're gonna go downstairs. Aria has asked to do math today. She was actually doing adding. She was telling me that 2 + 4 = 6, and 1 + 2 = 3. Can we not throw that around? Yeah. And do that for her homeschool today. It's crazy, guys. You wanna learn math? This is how my mommy taught me math. I give you, let's see, count it out.
1,
2. All right, so how many did I give you? So if I give you 5 goldfish and I take away 2, how many do you have left?
3.
Good job.
Playing all my melodies, there's no one else. Cause baby, we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This how to.
And if mommy eats one, how many do you have? 3. Very good. D is for?
Stop. Giraffe. Down.
No, donkey.
Donkey.
Very good.
Maybe this is where our story starts.
J. S. Y. Jaguar.
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 Very good.
No, mommy.
Koala.
Koala.
Okay, what's that one say?
L. S. Y. Lion.
Lion.
Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never.
The birthday. Hey, this is your birthday. Mommy, I'm baby.
You're Blippi? Okay.
Your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me.
Hi, Bubba. Someone woke up. My battery died, so I couldn't finish. But I was just doing like a morning cleanup. So I'm trying to get back to every day, like making our beds, wiping down like the counters in the bathroom, because obviously we get ready and it's a mess every single day. Doing like a small pickup and then 1 load of laundry every single day, so this way we can kind of catch up with it. We're kind of an hour ahead schedule. It's so crazy when you go back to a routine how structured everything is and just like how much more time you have throughout the day. So I'm also gonna go through our bills, and I just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about that a little bit. I don't want to say everyone, because some people still have to work, but I know some that are working, like their hours have been cut. Others, you may not be working right now and your company is either paying you for a couple of weeks or they're paying you half salary. Such an uncertain time, and bills are quickly due in like a week because it's almost the 1st. So I know a lot of like banks and stuff like that. So if you have any loans or credit cards or things like that, a lot of those places are doing it to where you can call their call center and try to like work something out with them. Don't just not pay your bills. That's always the worst thing you can do. So you can call them and see if you can either deter a payment, which it doesn't get rid of it. It just kind of pushes it back like a month or so. I know utility companies like PG&E and stuff, they have said they're not doing shutoffs and they're not doing late fees, I don't think. I'm not sure which companies are doing late fees, which are not, but you can always call ahead of time. I know with PG&E, if you go online, there's an option to where you can split your current bill into 4 smaller payments. And so if your bill is like $100, they split it into 4 $25 payments, and then they attach that to your next 4 months. So your next 4 months will be higher, but then you don't have to pay on your current bill. And then the biggest thing we're worried about is our car is brand new. We just got it like last year. So you can call your car company and ask for a deferment. And so if like your last payment was due August of 2024, they would just take your current month that you're on, so the April payment, and then they would attach that to the end. So your last payment would now be September of 2024, if that makes sense. And then if you are deferring any type of payments or anything just to have some breathing room, make sure you're not spending that money like it's extra. You want to put that money aside just like you did pay for it, or even if it's half of it, if you actually need to tap into it, put all that money aside into a savings account. This way, when May comes and you have to pay bills, you have that little bit of a net to go ahead and pay those bills. And hopefully that gives us time to figure out what's going on. Like if like you have to file for unemployment, if that government bailout thing is gonna go through, and all of this. So yeah, I'm trying to, like, as I get tips and stuff, give it to you guys because I know it's really stressful right now, but we're all going through this together. We can all get through this together, and the biggest thing is, again, we just need to stay home when we can and only go out to the stores if we absolutely need to. And then if it comes to dinners and stuff, meal delivery kits are still an option, you guys. My box should be coming today. I forgot who I ordered from. I wanted like more lunchy stuff, so I think we got like tacos and chicken, like I'm really excited about. But okay, I'm gonna go relax with the baby, because he's about to climb down the stairs. I know. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. I now don't have all the time in the world. I had my camera out because he was being so cute and he was like laughing, and then he was like choking and I didn't see anything. He was eating her Play-Doh. I thought I picked it all up, but I guess there was a piece still on the floor. I mean, luckily it's non-toxic, but it was so scary. I mean, yeah, you're okay, but can we like not do that? Okay, are you ready to just make, yeah, you want to make one? Okay. Can we not do that? That's scary, buddy. Can we not? Don't do that, okay? Because I don't want you to. Okay. Mommy loves you and I don't want anything to happen to you, okay? Okay. Mwah. Can we kiss? Mwah, thank you, silly boy.
I belong to you. Be my guiding star. Cause I need your loving, baby. And never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song. And you're playing all my melodies. There's no.
But I ate so bad last week. I'm trying to get healthier, so instead of doing tater tots like everybody else, I just did a side of broccoli, and then I did like a double of the veggie burger with some mozzarella cheese in the middle. I didn't do any type of like mayonnaise or anything. I used an avocado, some spinach, and then I put half a jalapeno on there as well. And then for my drink, I made my own like strawberry limeade, but it's kind of like a detox water, but I let it sit for 24 hours, so that's what happens to it. It just turns pink because of the strawberries. And then I empty this out like fresh every night. I don't let the fruit sit in there for more than 24 hours. Alright guys, so we did get our Green Chef box in time to do dinner tonight. So we're going to be doing the meatball with pesto orzo. I've never tried Green Chef before, but it's pretty much the same thing. I feel like every meal delivery kit does something a little bit different. For the most part, they just have pre-packaged or pre-portioned sizes for everything. So you shouldn't have any extras, which is nice because you're not really wasting food. And then their instructions are really detailed too. It's really organized and super easy to follow. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
You're such a big girl. Can you do it? You gotta wait for the family, baby. Okay, little dude. Say hi. Hey, Roscoe. This is the neighborhood cat. He's been here for like 3 days.
Hey, Roscoe.
You're gonna feed Roscoe. You gotta be very careful because he's shy, okay? Very slow, and just put it right there on the edge, okay? See? Yep, yep, leave the bowl right there. What's funny is that cat has been here forever and he never let us near it. Like if we walked outside, he would run away. And so getting that close to the cat is crazy. Oh my god, I just want to like lay here for a second. I felt like for the first time in a week we're back to normal. Also, my hair is going to be a mess for a while. I just ordered some stuff online. I'm trying to get back to my like regular hair. That sounded weird. My natural curls. But anyways, Eric's conference call took like
2 hours. I asked him like what was going on and stuff, and like if they're gonna go back to work on the 7th, or like what the meeting was about. Our last day in the Bay Area for like non-essential stores being open was March 17th, so that was like the last day that he worked. And then we were told April 7th was like going to be the quarantine time. They said California store, like on the call, California stores can't reopen until the 17th. So I don't know if this means like our quarantine or isolation is getting extended, if it's like for everybody, if it's just like smaller businesses, their company, what's going on. It's really frustrating because he's only getting paid for 2 weeks. He would have had 1 week of no pay, which isn't, it's like, it's a big deal, but we could have survived that. But now he's going like 3 extra weeks for no pay. So they're trying to gather like more information to see how to go about it, if they're going to be using like PTO vacation time, which sucks, but it's better than getting nothing, or if he has to file for unemployment. The only good thing is he never took his entire paternity leave. So you get 12 weeks in California. He only took 6 weeks. So we're pretty sure he can go ahead and refile his FMLA and take the remainder of his 6 weeks, because Ezra hasn't turned 1 yet. And this would be like his last time to do that, or it just expires and it goes to waste. What's really nice is he did call Toyota. They totally understand the situation and just like the uncertainty of like not knowing how we're gonna get paid over the next month, and they went ahead and deferred our payments for 2 months. So any money we get aside that we were gonna pay Toyota, that can go into savings, which is really nice. But I just want this thing to end so bad, and I know it's not that easy, and I know people are like losing their lives, and it's just so sad hearing like how this is spreading. But our reality, this is, I guess, our new normal. My husband's gonna be home for the next month, and yeah, I hear all of you guys' requests. You were asking for another meal prep video, so I hope I can get to the grocery store tomorrow so I can film that video and have it up Friday. That is the game plan. If not, we're just doing another day in the life. But as always, guys, I love you, and I will see you in the next one.